Here is a vintage Superlectric box fan that I got from the Salvation Army store for $2. It was really dirty when I got it. The grill was like absolutely dirty. I thought all the brown stuff was rust, but it was really dirt. This fan is really quiet on low. It's like medium and low have the same speed. It's basically the same speed. High speed, it starts off slow and then it powers up really fast. This fan is probably from the 70's. If it's not, put it down in the comments. None of the grills are broken on it, which is good. It's a little bit yellowed, but I don't care. So first I'm going to show it on low speed. Now I'm going to show it on medium speed. See, it's basically the same thing. Now I'm going to show it on high speed. It starts off slow, but then it powers up really fast. See, it's really loud on high speed. And off, and you can watch the spin down. Okay, so this was the video on my Superlectric box fan. Hope you enjoyed it.